You are all welcome. Let's make this delicious, smoky, good-looking jollof rice together. Please watch till the end. This is my goat's meat that I have already cooked and I finished frying. I'm going to remove it and then use the same oil to fry the stew. So that's my tin tomatoes. In my already hot oil, I added onions. I'm going to let it stir fry for like 30 to 40 seconds and thereafter add my tin tomatoes. After that, I'm going to make sure that I blend everything together, like I mix thoroughly, and then I'm going to add my thyme and curry. This is optional. The curry is very optional. If you don't want to add it, it's okay. So after that, I'm going to stir, make sure that it is well mixed, and thereafter I'm going to cover to let fry on a low heat for 15 minutes. And as you can see, it has fried for 15 minutes. I added my scotch bonnet pepper with onions, the paprika and tomatoes I boiled in another pot. So I cover it, and thereafter I added my already cooked tomatoes and paprika. I'm going to stir and thereafter add my seasoning, salt, and bouillon powder. It is very important to add everything at this moment, and also it depends on what quantity you are using that you are going to add the seasoning, salt, and other things. So I'm going to cover again and let cook on a low heat for 15 minutes. And guys, as you can see, the 15 minutes was over. I added my already parboiled washed rice. So I'm going to stir, make sure that it is thoroughly mixed. This is the most important part also, and this is the water that I used in cooking the meat, like the meat stock. I used goat's meat for the jollof rice. So I'm just going to stir and thereafter cover the rice with the lino bag. It is very important to do so because that is how it is done, okay? Yes, and as you can see, after the rice is almost drying off, I open it and stir a little and cover again. But after some while, I noticed the rice is almost dried. I removed the lino bag. I'm not going to use it anymore. I added onions. I really like using onions in my jollof rice like this because I love onions. So after that, I added some butter or margarine. It is also very important. It gives it that beauty, that fluffiness, that, like, you know, like what I mean. Yes, so that's why I added butter to give it that extra beauty. So now I'm going to keep stirring till everything is thoroughly mixed. My fire is on a low heat right now because the rice is dried already, so I just had to lower my fire. It is also very important to lower the heat even while there is still a lot of water on the rice, okay, to prevent it from burning. As you can see, guys, that's how I prepare this delicious smoky jollof rice you are seeing here. Thank you so much for watching from the start to the end. Please, if you love this video, don't keep it to yourself. Help me to share, comment, like, and also follow me on all my social media platforms with the name Mama Triple N. Thank you so much and see you in my next video. Bye.